Oh my God. Bon appetit. Cheers. Everybody stand up, please. Good afternoon, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. Alright, please sit properly and listen carefully. Our topic for today is riddles. Does anyone know what riddles are? No one? Alright then, let's proceed. What is riddles? Phrase? Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Everybody stand up, please. Good afternoon, class. Gam? Huh? 61? Clap your hands to Gam. Pass all the papers. Bye, class. Everybody stand up, please. Good afternoon, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. Asia. 67. Excellent, Asia. Pass all the papers. Everybody stand up, please. Bye and thank you, class. Goodbye, Teacher Ming, Jai Chen. Goodbye, Teacher Maria. See you on Monday. See you next week. There's no class on Monday. Holiday.
It's my holiday.
See you on Tuesday, everyone. Happy long weekend na naman.